Adding click functionality to a button in PowerShell GUI. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to add click functionality to a button in a Windows Forms application using PowerShell. We'll go through the steps of loading the necessary assembly, creating a form, adding a button, and implementing functionality that executes when the button is clicked. Let's get started. First, we need to load the libraries to access the GUI components. We include the libraries required for our Windows Forms application. Next, let's create a new form that will serve as our application window. This initializes a new form. Now let's proceed to add a button. We'll create a button that users can click on. Here we create a new button object. Now it's time to set the text for the button. We'll set the label on the button to inform users what will happen when they click it. This line sets the button's text to "Click Me." Now let's add the functionality that occurs when the button is clicked. Now, we'll add click functionality to our button. We associate a script block that will execute when the button is clicked. When this button is clicked, it will output the message to the console. Next, we need to add our button to the form so it appears on the screen. We're including our button in the form's controls. Finally, let's display our form with the button. This command, show dialog, shows our form and keeps it open until the user closes it. Let's see this in action. Let's review the entire code snippet we've created. Now, let's execute the code and see the form with our clickable button. When we click the button, you should see "Hello World" output in the console. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more PowerShell tutorials. Happy coding!